Are you looking for the top 4 air fryers for family? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best air fryers for family on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, GoWISE USA 5.8 quart air fryer. If you are looking for the best overall air fryer for a family of 4, then this just might be the right model for you. It has a very decent capacity for this size of family. This size helps to make it a great option if your family has a big appetite. It can even handle a whole chicken without any issue, making it a great option for anyone who wants a large, quick, and healthy meal for lunch or dinner. Something else that helps to make this such a good option is that it has 8 different cooking presets. These presets make cooking meals very simple. All you need to do is press the right button, and you are on your way to a delicious dinner. This particular model also comes with a cookbook with over 50 mouth-watering recipes that are easy to follow and put together, which is a great value in of itself. This model also has a large temperature range, which makes cooking a wide range of foods all that much easier. The simple-to-use timer will allow you to keep track of your cooking without much effort at all, which will, in turn, help to guarantee that you make nothing but delicious meals. The one thing that you will want to keep in mind with this model is that, due to its large capacity, the handle needs to be held with 2 hands. If you only carry it with 1 hand, it has a tendency to flex a bit, which could make you spill some of your food. At number 2, Ninja AF101, most versatile air fryer. If you are someone that likes to change up recipes often or try new ideas when you are cooking, then this might be a great air fryer for you. It has the largest temperature range out there. This makes it possible to make pretty much anything your taste buds desire, which is why it is such a good option for a family of 4. Kids are notoriously difficult to please when it comes to mealtime. With this fryer, however, you should be able to find lots of recipes that will work for every member of your family. It is also very easy to clean, thanks in part to its non-stick coating. Not only is this a versatile air fryer, but it is also extremely easy to use. It has 4 different programmable settings. These settings will allow you to choose temperatures and times that work best for your favorite recipes. That way, you will be able to get your food cooking with very little effort on your part. Something else that helps to make this such a versatile option is that it has a very compact and sleek design. This design makes it easy to store right on your counter, which can be difficult with some larger models. This fryer can also easily fit into a cabinet if need be, which makes it a great choice for anyone with a smaller kitchen. One thing that you will need to keep in mind with this model is that it will have a bit of an odor the first few times that you use it. This is, obviously, nothing to worry about as it will dissipate over time, but is definitely something to watch out for if you do decide to buy this model. At number 3, Philips HD 9650/96. Easiest to use air fryer. When it comes to finding the right air fryer, sometimes the best option is the easiest to use option. The last thing you want to do when you already have children to take care of is to get a new device that is tough to figure out. An air fryer is supposed to make things simpler for you, after all, which is exactly what this model will do for you. The digital touch screen is one of, if not the, easiest ways to set an air fryer on the market. This screen is very easy to read and helps to make finding the right temperature, time, and setting quick and easy. The built-in timer also has a nice ready signal. This signal, while definitely loud enough to hear without any trouble, is not all that bothersome. Thankfully, it will let you know that your food is done without making you think there is an emergency, which is always a nice touch if you have young children at home. This fryer also has a nice large heat range. Though it can't go quite as low as some other options out there, its minimum and maximum temperature settings should be more than enough for most foods. The temperature is also very easy to set since it goes up or down in increments of 25 degrees. This simplicity of design and function does come at a bit of a price, however. This fryer is one of the larger models out there, which could make it difficult to fit in your kitchen, especially if your counter space is on the smaller side. Fitting this model in a cabinet could be tricky as well, so be sure to measure your space carefully before you make your final decision. At number 4, Ultrean 4.2 quart air fryer. Though lots of kitchen appliances, like your fridge, oven, and dishwasher might cost a ton of money, an air fryer certainly doesn't need to. This model, for instance, will provide a lot of value at a very reasonable and budget-friendly price. This makes it a great option for anyone that wants to make healthier food for their family while still watching their bottom line. The LCD display on this model is very easy to read. As you would expect from such a screen, this one is quite bright, which makes setting the temperature quick and simple. This model also comes with a handy recipe book, which is filled with lots of great ideas for quick meals you can make with your air fryer. You will need to be careful if you try to use the grill insert that comes with this model. However, while this insert does a great job of cooking meals to perfection, it is very difficult to clean. Though most of the parts of this fryer are dishwasher safe, this particular piece will need to be cleaned by hand. Otherwise, you will always have a bit of leftover food stuck in the grates. Even though this fryer is on the lower end when it comes to cost, it is still a quality product. It has a large temperature range, which makes it easy to cook all sorts of good food. The handle is also heat resistant, which is a great feature if you are cooking at higher temperatures to make sure that you don't hurt your hand when you remove the tray.